Google has quietly released more than 30 AI tools, and almost nobody knows that most of them are completely free. A few are genuinely some of the best AI tools on the internet right now. The rest are not worth your time. I went through all of them, so today I'm showing you the 5 that are actually worth using. Welcome back to AI Motion Studio. These 5 tools are free, they run in your browser, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to use each one for. Number 5, Google Flow. This is Google's AI filmmaking studio, and it's the tool you should be using for images and video instead of just prompting the Gemini app. The difference is control. Flow gives you a real control panel. You choose which model runs, including the latest Nano Banana image models and Veo for video. You set the aspect ratio, and you generate several versions of the same prompt at once, so you keep the best result instead of gambling on a single run. And when an image is almost right, you just tell Flow what to change. It recolors a shirt or swaps one object, and everything else stays locked. And if you need to edit real video rather than generate it, Google has Vids. It's an online editor with AI built in. Generate clips, record your screen, add voiceovers, and even build an AI presenter whose mouth matches the words you give it. For quick marketing and explainer videos, Vids is badly underrated, and it lives right inside Workspace next to Docs and Slides. Number 4 is the tool I would keep over everything else, NotebookLM. You create a notebook, drop in your own sources, documents, PDFs, links. And every answer it gives you comes only from that material, with a citation that jumps to the exact line it pulled from. That's why you can trust it for real work. And from those sources, it builds genuinely useful things: study guides, mind maps, slides, quizzes, and the famous podcast-style audio overview you can listen to on the go. Anytime you need to actually understand something dense, this is the tool. Number 3 isn't a separate app at all. It's the AI already sitting inside Gmail, Docs, and Drive. The standout is Help Me Write in Gmail. Type your messy, half-finished thoughts, and it hands back a clean, finished email. In Drive, a feature called Projects lets you pull related files together and ask questions across all of them. And in Docs and Sheets, the Gemini button rewrites text and writes your formulas for you. Because it already has your context, you're not pasting your own documents into a chatbot all day. If you live inside Google's apps, turn these on today. Right next to that sits Workspace Studio, Google's answer to Zapier, built straight into Workspace. You set up a flow that starts with a trigger, like a new email arriving, then hand the process to Gemini to actually read and judge it. It can spot a new business lead, label it, summarize the message, and log the details into a sheet, all on its own. Unlike a normal automation, there's real judgment in the middle of the flow, not just rigid rules. Number 2 is for builders, Google AI Studio. One side is a playground where you pick the exact Gemini model, tune it, and test prompts against your own files. The other side builds working apps from a description, vibe coding, hosted by Google, with a free API key for your own projects. If you've ever wanted to go from idea to working AI app in one afternoon without touching a server, this is the fastest free way to do it. Beyond the big 5, Google ships wild experiments constantly. Project Genie turns a single text prompt into a fully playable 3D world, rendered frame by frame as you explore it. Mixboard is a visual canvas for mood boarding with AI images. And AI Edge Gallery runs a language model entirely on your phone, no internet, so nothing you type ever leaves the device. Most experiments are forgettable. These 3 are worth a look. So here's the final ranking. Number 5, Google Flow for controlled image and video generation. 4, the AI inside Gmail and Workspace. 3, AI Studio for building. 2, NotebookLM, the one I'd keep over everything. And number 1 is simple, the stack. These tools are free, and they're better together. If this saved you some time, a like genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe for a new AI workflow every week, and tell me in the comments which Google tool you're trying first. See you in the next one.